Round 7.
Bakbakang Eden Sonsona kontra kay Jonathan Oquendo. Our unofficial scorecard brought to you by Manila Beer. Nadihado po ng contest sa round number 6. Itong si Eden Sonsona. Ang ating pong suma total, 58 for Sonsona,
Low
56.
blow. Low blow.
Oh, that's
That
a low
was
blow.
low blow. Very clear low blow.
And he would be given
5 minutes. Maximum of 5 minutes.
Rest period. Oquendo, like I said, he has been disqualified before 2007 kontra kay Oscar Andrade. So may reputation po si Jonathan Oquendo.
And you know, Puerto Rican fans can be very, very nasty. They were booing him for going down, but it was a clear low blow. You know.
Kasi alam mo, hindi natin malaman kung intentional yun sapagkat ng 5th round, napansin ni Oquendo na hirap sa sikmura si Eden Sonsona kapag...
And he was asked to keep it up again by the referee.
So very interesting fight. And Oquendo
working to the body.
Working the body. Beautiful uppercut
by Sonsona.
By Sonsona.
He varied that. Maganda yan.
You can see.
Body shot.
Iisang target ni Oquendo ngayon. Naramdaman niya yung sikmura ni Sonsona at yun ang kanyang tinitira. Batter the body and the head will fall. Yan po ang teorya ngayon ni Oquendo. Is going for the body.
And sometimes very low.
Medyo below the Puerto Rican border.
Right by
Sonsona fighting back.
Maganda yung kaliwa ni Sonsona.
So we have the headhunter, Sonsona. We have the body puncher, Oquendo. But it's Sonsona who's on the attack.
Yeah, with the right uppercut. Yung maganda yung right uppercut niya. See, holding and hitting. Oh,
beautiful combination
by Sonsona.
Sonsona. Left hand. Beautiful hook. Alam mo, kinakaunter ni Sonsona ng hook kasi he's going for the body. Mababa ang trajectory na suntok ni Oquendo. Kaya tama yung mga hook.
Yung hook
ni Sonsona pataas.
Pagkatapos yung uppercut niya. Oh, maganda.
Beautiful straight. Beautiful combinations by Sonsona. Ang ganda ng blending ng mga suntok ni Sonsona, no?
Yeah.
Parang Philharmonic Orchestra. Beautiful combinations. Mixing his punches well, itong si Eden Sonsona.
30 seconds remaining in this round. Oquendo trying to come back with the right.
Alam mo, nag-i-invest sa body punching si Oquendo, hoping that in the last few rounds, the body punches will take their toll. Pero si Sonsona tuloy-tuloy ang atake. Beautiful right hand.
Good combination. Maganda yung Sonsona. Last 10 seconds.
Sonsona on the attack again, mga kaibigan. End of the round.
Good round. Good round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
Ito po ang highlight ng round number 7. Look at that big left hand.
Left hook. Tama, sinabi ni Buboy, in and out, tama. Don't stand and try to slug it out with him. Move in and then step back. O yun, maganda yung kaliwa.
Beautiful. Kasi nga pag masyadong dikit, may dukot sa bodega eh.
May dukot sa
May
budeg.
dukot. So kung in and out, by the time na mag-retaliate sa bodega si Oquendo, malayo na itong si
Sonsona.
They need to spin Oquendo around.
Tama. Yun ang kailangan. Round 8.
Round number 8, Eden Sonsona kontra kay Jonathan Oquendo. Muli, yan po ang ating unofficial scorecard brought to you by Manila Beer.
I hope the judges agree with us.
Ito po ay unofficial, mga kaibigan, just to guide you sa progress ng laban. If it goes the distance, mamaya pa maririnig natin ang formal na score ng ating official judges. But right now, Eden Sonsona on the attack.
Good left, he
There's a
dropped
left.
him. Oh!
Wala daw knockdown, sabi ng
Ano ba
referee.
yan?
There appears to be a left hand. Oh, bloody mess na po ang mukha ni Jonathan Oquendo. Wala raw pong knockdown according to the referee.
What's he saying?
At
That was a punch.
There was a left hand.
Ay, nako. That's the trouble when you fight in places like Puerto Rico. You don't get a fair deal. That was a clear punch, knocked him down, and he said, what did he say?
It was a slip.
And he gave him time to rest. Oh,
So kailangan
nako, Diyos. Yung referee is Jose Rivera.
So Sonsona knows what is at stake.
That's why he was looking at his corner and saying, ano nangyari?
Do not lose your
Oh,
focus.
another low blow, another low blow. Ah,
A second low blow. We did say na puro sa bodega po ang atake nitong si Oquendo mula nung masaktan niya.
he will
Nung
go
number
low
5.
blow. Yun ang stilo niya.
Going for the family jewels. Eh, bawal po yan. That is the second low blow.
Yes.
At yan po ang bloody face. And I'm surprised that no point is still being taken.
Well, this is Puerto Rico, not the Philippines.
No honeymoon in Puerto Rico para dito kay Eden Sonsona.
He had low blows. There's a knockdown, was not counted. Eh, mahirapan ng bata natin.
But so far so good
So
para
far,
kay
so
Eden
good.
Sonsona.
Good left. Another low blow. Another low blow.
Another low blow from Jonathan. Is he trying to find the easy way out in this fight?
And the referee, I don't know, he should deduct a point.
I believe that si Oquendo po ay dapat ng kaltasan
Oh,
ng puntos sapagkat pangalawang infraction niya para sa round na ito.
yeah.
But so far, wala po tayong nakikita na senyas mula sa referee.
Two low blows and this is the third low blow in the fight and no point deducted. Ano ba yan?
Abay, siyempre magrereklamo po ang ating batang si Eden Sonsona. Siyempre, rep, bala ko pa magkaanak. Bala ko pa masundan ang lahi ko, ano? Kaya bawal yung mga low blow na yan.
Yeah, that's terrible and the referee didn't do anything.
So, in and out, yan po ang instruction
Ni
ng
Buboy
corner.
Fernandez, tama.
Lalo na ngayon na
Good
puro
left.
low blow ang pinapakawalan ni Oquendo.
Stay away from that.
And you can see the low blow is meant to disrupt
The rhythm.
yung rhythm nitong si Sonsona. Trying to throw him off his game plan. Yan ang style ni Oquendo. He's getting desperate. Yun po ang sa
Yan.
mga dahilan.
Actually, at least 1 point should have been deducted.
Iyon din ang aking pananaw sapagkat medyo with alarming
another
figures.
low.
Look, another low blow. Oh
And you-
boy. All right, now we're taking away 1 point. 1 point.
Yeah. Tama.
1 point. A 1 point deduction. So if Sonsona wins this round, he could get a 10-8 round. Oh, there's a right hand. A big right hand. Big right hand. Big right hand. Oh boy.
And there's the bell. So it's an even round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.